Hey, welcome back to Lihitrobank. My name is Adam. Let me start with something every team feels, but rarely says out loud. Most projects do not fail because people are lazy or unskilled. They fail because work gets messy, tasks slip, updates get missed, decisions get buried in chats. Managers spend more time chasing status than actually leading. That chaos is exactly why companies are paying for project management automation right now. And that is where HiveMind AI inside Hive becomes a real income opportunity. Hive is already trusted by teams to manage projects. HiveMind takes a step further by using AI to organize, prioritize, summarize, and automate work. When you combine that with the right service, offering you are no longer selling software. You are selling calm. Teams will always pay for calm. Here is the shift you need to understand. Companies do not want more tools. They want their existing tools to work better. HiveMind fits perfectly because it lives inside a system teams already use or are willing to adopt easily. Your role is not to manage projects for them. Your role is to automate how projects are managed. That difference is where money appears. Let me explain how this actually becomes income in the real world. Most teams struggle with the same problems. Task overload, no clear priorities, meetings that go nowhere, updates scattered across email, Slack, and documents. Managers constantly asking what is the status. HiveMind can automatically summarize project updates, create tasks from conversations, suggest priorities, flag risks, and generate reports. But most teams do not know how to set this up properly. That is where you come in. You offer project management automation as a service. You analyze how a team works. You configure HiveMind to match their workflow. You automate status updates, reporting, task creation, and follow-ups. Suddenly, the team feels organized without adding more effort. That feeling is extremely valuable. People who earn with this do not call themselves project managers. They position themselves as workflow automation partners. They talk about saving time, reducing meetings, improving clarity, and preventing missed deadlines. Those outcomes sell easily. Now, let me go deeper because this is where most people misunderstand opportunity. Teams do not want generic automation. They want automation that fits how they work. A marketing team needs campaign visibility. A product team needs sprint clarity. An agency needs client reporting. A remote team needs async updates. HiveMind is flexible enough to support all of this, but only if someone designs it intentionally. That design is your value. You are paid to think, not click buttons. This is also why recurring income works so well here. Workflows evolve. Teams grow. Projects change. Automation needs tuning. Businesses prefer to pay monthly for someone who keeps their system running smoothly instead of fixing things themselves. Now, let me talk honestly about what works and what fails. People fail when they oversell AI intelligence. They promise fully autonomous project management. That creates unrealistic expectations. AI supports teams. It does not replace leadership. The people who succeed sell clarity and consistency. Another failure point is trying to serve everyone. The money is in niches, agencies, SaaS teams, remote startups, operations teams. When you focus on one type of team, your setups improve fast and your results get stronger. HiveMind makes this easier because patterns repeat across similar teams. Now, let me explain why this opportunity is growing right now. Remote and hybrid work is permanent. Teams or async managers are overwhelmed. Everyone wants fewer meetings and clearer communication. AI-powered project automation solves this pain quietly. Search interest around AI and project management is rising because leaders want efficiency without micromanagement. HiveMind fits that demand perfectly. And here is something important. This is not a flashy service. It is a sticky service. Once a team depends on automated summaries, reports, and workflows, they do not want to go back. That creates retention. Pricing also works well on retainers. Monthly optimization, ongoing support, new workflow setups, reporting customization. A few teams paying consistently can replace a full-time income, and the skill compounds. The more teams you work with, the better you understand workflows. The better your automation designs, the more valuable you become. This is not hype money. This is operational money. Real teams, real budgets, real long-term relationships. If you enjoy organizing systems, solving process problems, and working with teams, this is one of the most underrated AI income paths right now. If you want, I can make the next video showing exactly how to package a HiveMind automation service that teams say yes to. Or I can break down how to approach companies and pitch this without sounding technical or sleazy. Tell me in the comments what you want next, and I will make that video. If this video helped you understand how HiveMind AI can turn workflow automation into recurring income, subscribe to the channel. I share practical AI income strategies built on real business demand, not hype. Like the video so more people see it, and comment what type of team you would love to work with. I will see you in the next one.